guys, thank you for watching another video. Today we're going to be going to a car meet or car show super early in the morning. I'm going to go meet up with a couple homies with their Evo 10 and Supra. I'm just going to bring you guys along. Hopefully we get some runs in because that Supra makes a lot of power and I really want to see how the Evo holds up to it. And I also do want to, take this time to thank you guys for subscribing, for supporting, for buying merch. And honestly, I never really expected. I mean, to some it might be a small amount, but 37,000 subscribers is a lot to me. And honestly, I'm so grateful to you guys because I simply love documenting and archiving something that I love doing, which is cars and building them and doing stuff with them. So I just want to give a huge thanks to you guys. And I plan on doing it for a really long time. So let's get to Steven's house real quick and let's see what happens. Quick break mode. Asleep, to be honest. This dude just woke up, so gives me some time to eat this looks like a meat lover's burrito. I haven't really tried it before, so let's see how it is. Someone woke up late or what? Yeah. What's good, dude? A little bit. Check it out. Supra, you guys already know, for all the fanboys. He also does have like a fully built Evo, as you guys can see. He has like track tires, carbon fiber like front end, super crazy. But yeah, this thing's pretty quick. This thing smells so good. Oh. This thing looks so fast because of that me setup. Look at this. Damn, Ivan pulled up and another Evo. Let's roll a quick cinematic. Alright, we're pretty much ready to go out. How much power do you make?
Like 300.
300? Like with those tires?
322 wheels.
He makes like 700. He's lying. Squad. Supra GTR.
Sound good, dude.
Dude.
I don't think I lifted or
You're rubbing like crazy, dude. Damn, he almost looks like me. Rub Nation. Hey, so what happened with the 40 rolls? I thought I was like, I pull on you like bottom end, and then as soon as you hit top end, dude, you pass me, and I'm like, oh shoot.
I kept knocking the tire off.
Really? I saw it a little bit, but. And you make like how much? For the viewers? 300?
700.
Now we got some good runs in nonetheless. It's just kind of hard because like the Evo has a lot of torque on the bottom end and this thing has like a lot of top end, so he ends up pulling on me at the end. So this is super clean. Damn, for a 240, dude. Okay.
powder coated black.
Bro, these are the cleanest 240s I've seen in a minute. It's like super hot, boy. Get the S14. Damn. Oh.
I don't see you.
The bug.
Yeah, over there.
R33, CR Kai's, super clean. Damn, there's no wing. You got another Supra. Looks like some SSR wheels. See? Yep. Damn. What's this? What is this? You got a 370 with like a Vars kit. Some nice Hooray wheels. Damn. This thing's clean as heck. I dig. What's his name? Zeus? I have a pug too, but it's a female.
I got my female at home, but she's older. And the people that were like...
Got our food. We got more Evos.
Kicking and I might even be in front of the car right now.
Alright, let's go back.
I don't even want to look.
Alright guys, and we're pretty much back home. Pretty fun day. Got some cool little runs with the Supra. That thing is super fast, by the way. And for the following videos, we're pretty much going to be working on the DSN to pretty much prep it for its E85 dyno tune. It's been way too long already. I just want to get it done. I'm super nervous, but it has to get done. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.